Hello guys, my name is Lakson Montali. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Dart SDK. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the official website, which is dart.dev. So here, so you have to click get Dart. So this is the page where you're gonna uh, like this is a page that shows you how you can install that SDK on your machine. So depending on the operating system, the different types of I can say like instructions. So for Windows, below under this I can say tab, the instructions for Windows, and under this the instructions for this operating system Linux. Then under this there are instructions for Mac OS. So with Windows, if you're following this step, or if you're following this method, you need to have chocolate on your machine so that you can run some commands using this package that you need to download. Yeah, but there's the easiest actually method that you can use to install the SDK, so you don't need chocolate on your machine. So what you're supposed to do is you can just scroll up. There is a link that says downloading the SDK as a zip file. So you just click here. So once the page loads, so you can just scroll down under stable channel. Here it's gonna show you the latest I can say the latest SDK version of the SDK. So you just have to download it from here. So it's saying that SDK. So you click here. So I already have it on my machine right now. Um, Remember that it's a zip file, so we can just click download or some kind of a thing. So depending actually on um, so me, I'm using the internet downloading margin just so it's kind of fast, I think. So I tell myself. But yeah. So let me cancel it because I already have it on my machine, so I don't need it. So I can go to the folder where the SDK is, the zip file is. So from here, all I need to do now is to unzip this. So I can just open it. Okay, let's just wait a little bit. Okay, now that we have the folder for the SDK, we can just like cut it and put it here. You can just paste it here. So the reason why I'm taking it, the reason why I'm pasting the SDK here is because I wouldn't want to mistakenly delete it. So this is where I think that it will be safe, so that I just don't tamper with it. So after the whole thing is done, so you can just open the folder, then head to the bin folder. Here, you can just copy. Have you seen what I've done? I want to copy the path for this because there's something that whenever we want to use that, we want to run something in here in this folder. So what we're supposed to do is supposed to copy this path and add it to the environment variable so that that is a variable on our machine so that we can easily access it whenever we're using maybe an IDE or whatever editor that you are using. So what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to search for environment here. So you click search the environment. Then on top here, you're gonna see where it's saying edit environment or if you want, you can just start with edit so that it comes. Edit environment. Yeah, edit environment like this. Then you open. So from here, you just click this, the path, you select path, then edit. So this is where we add the path for the Dart SDK. So what you're supposed to do, you just add new, you add another one here, then you paste the SDK. Then after that, you just click OK. Even here, you click OK. So now that we have our Dart SDK on the path, so now we can easily check whether we have it on our machine. Now that we have it on the environmental path, we can easily check using the CMD to check the version for that. So here we can just okay, I'm having challenges with my keyboard, so I'm gonna open this on-screen keyboard. So here you can just type that version. So version, and you enter. Voila. So you can see that that SDK is installed and it's a stable version. So this is how you install that on your machine. Thank you for watching.